in this video we are going to see the how we can do, means how we can insert multiple columns using a micro and VBA. So let's see. So here I have a data, a sample data, code, units, price per units, and the code and units and price per units. Now if manually, how we can do the inserting different columns. So here we can click and right click on the insert one by one. Okay, but using a micro, if you have a same data set at the same time and you are doing it again and again, that a repetitive task, you can use as a macros. So let's see. First thing, go to record. In the first thing, you go to developer tab, and then, or you can use the shortcut as a alt 11. Alt 11 is a shortcut for developer tab. Now here, if you, here you can see the option as a record macros. Okay, so record, click on the record macros, give it the name as if like insert. I will prefer as insert columns. Okay, now click on OK. So now recording is already started. Okay, you can see here stop recording is option displayed here. So before that, you should insert how many columns you want to insert. Okay, now after you inserted the column, then stop the recording. Okay, yeah, now I stop it. Nothing you have to do now, and just I want to delete this one. So I will show you the how the result, the macros works. Now go to macros option now. Okay, don't go to the record macros, go to macros option, click on the macros. Now list it out, means here are the all macros you perform is already here. So yeah, what was the name? Insert column. I click on that, go to run. If you want to delete, if you want to edit, these options are here. I want to run. Now you can see automatically 2 columns are inserted within 1 second. Now this is for recorded version. Now if you want to insert how many, if you want to insert 2, 3, 4 as you after entering a different options. Now we can see how we can in the developer tab, visual basics. Okay, go to visual basic, like a VBA, we can say visual basic. Now there is this tab is open, search it out which sheet you are performing. Okay, so my sheet was insert column, and click on right click on that and insert a module. Okay, after that your module will created down to this project. Okay, now here is the code. You can see start with the sub int, you can say as a, this is the name of your code. Okay, and this is from dimension is a, it is a team for the okay, so this is started for your code name. This is the code name. Okay, this is the micros name, you can say, and this is the subroutine. Okay, start with the subroutine. Now after there is a dim, means a dimension of I and integer j. So this line declare two, like two integer variables. Okay, I and j, which will be used to counter in the loop. So that will count in the loop. Now active cells entire column, means whatever you have, which are you are using that active cell, you dot entire column you want to select it, and that's why dot select. Now on error go to last, it means whenever the line setup or the error handling, it is routine to jump the last label into the any of your array or any of your error. Now the input box. Okay, so this is like I equals to input box. Inside there, enter numbers of columns to insert there. So that's why whenever you want to insert a 2, if you want to insert a 3, whatever you want to insert a columns, that's why this dialog box are created here. and J and I, 1 and I, this is for the start loop while will the run I times where I the number of continue entered by the users. So this is about, and this then selection of insert and shift right. It is whenever you are select and the insert shift, then you want to insert at the right side of your column. So that means right side of the that column you want to insert. Okay. So this is about, and this will be for the next format for the right. It is like you are saving the parameter, like ensuring that the new column will be it will be right and left. Okay. Then the last exit is for the last that acts as a exit point, okay, for the error handling. And if you error occur during the execution of loop, that code will be jump to the label and exist the sub procedure. Okay, so this the sub procedure will be exist and end with the subject, and save this code as a control S, and go to your sheet, go to the in the developer tab, insert and the button if you want it, and then go to the macros again. There will be no name will shows, and go select on that macros and run that. After you click on this, and this for this button assign this macros. So whichever you saved that macros, you just click on that and okay, so that macros will assign here. If I click on this, you can see how many columns you wanted. Let me, I want it here, so just I wanted four column I want to insert. You can see 1 2 3 4 columns are inserted here. So this is all about how you can record it macros and using a VBA code as well. Okay.